Yeah, I think like one thing that's going to be interesting with this audience is that there's one theory. Brian Kaplan has this theory on education. I think it's Brian Kaplan at least. It's like where it's basically all about it's credentialing, but it's actually a very specific thing that's being credentialed. It's like what colleges are credentialing to employers is that these people graduate our program, which means that they can like show up to a place on time and like perform a series of instructions and, you know, not do too many drugs and like kind of like make it through, which is like the kind of people you want to hire. Like they'll turn up, they'll do the job.
If you're a Microsoft.
Yeah. Like FANG, like I think like any company at scale starts like that's actually what they are hiring. Is like you went to a good college, which means that you can like do things reliably and follow instructions well. It's pretty clear now in the AI world that like the AI is very good at following instructions, and it's probably going to be hard for humans to compete with the AI on just like following instructions reliably. In which case, people here need to think about what are they going to get out of their college experience that goes beyond just kind of showing up, passing the test, following the instructions really, really well. Like it's going to require how do you know to do things yourself and how do you have like agency and independence? Because that's actually the stuff that's going to matter in like, I think a post-AI world.
And I think the thing that happened is Jerry and I went on this college tour as well. And what's happening is that a lot of the CS curriculum is actually quite outdated. Like how many of you in the audience, if you're still in college, do your courses even allow use of a cursor?
Yeah. How many like forbid you to use cursor and like vibe coding tools in your CS classes?
Oh yeah, way more hands.
Yeah.
And this is the future, and those are the kinds of skills that are now
they're quite literally prohibiting the students from learning the tools that they are going to need in the future. It's crazy.
But when the internet first came out, a lot of teachers would say you're not allowed to use Google.
Totally. Yeah.
Which is unfathomable today.
Yeah.
And I think to Harsh's point, a lot of the most crack students, as we were meeting them and all these, we had some events that we hosted, they had this sense of hacking on the side and working in a lot of side projects, to your point, Harsh, about having a lot of agency. You learn a lot more in the process of building a lot of projects on the side rather than at school. How many of you had learned way more on independent projects than at school? Yeah,
Great.
All hands.
All right, we picked the right people. Sweet.